Welcome to White Pickets, friends.
Oh, so cute. Actual white picket fences.
Oh dear, that's not a permitted vehicle.
A moving truck?
What are we supposed to do?
Oh, just rent a van from the vendor list. Move the stuff into it, then move it in.
Karen, was it?
I never said, but
You want us
yes.
to move everything, piano, furniture, twice?
Can't we just move it in now?
I told you, it's the wrong kind of truck.
I'm only moving this piano once. From this truck into that house. Get that truck out of the way.
I think it's stuck.
Well, don't push it. Just let me.
Why couldn't your mom have played the flute?
It's stuck on that back wheel. Can you push it?
I am pushing.
Perfect timing. Let's go. Welcome to White Pickets, friends.